22. Lincoln Loud rebuilds Toyota dealer / Ungrounded. Question: what's your favorite car brand? Mine is Audi.
Man, I'm really angry about what Huey and Riley did last day at Toyota dealer. Should I rebuild it again? Yes, I'll do it, by myself. Time to go now.
When he reached the dealer.
Oh, Jesus Christ, this is a real mess. Looks like I found somewhere the materials that I need: clay, bricks, glass, steel and other materials. Time to begin.
7 hours later.
Phew. It was a hard work. I'm extremely tired and I want to rest a little bit.
Wow, Lincoln, did you just rebuild the Toyota dealer? I cannot believe.
Yes, sister. I did it all by myself. Even it was hard, I didn't fail.
Well done, Lincoln. I'm going to tell Mom and Dad to unground you because you worked really hard.
Yes.
Lincoln, good job for rebuilding the Toyota dealer by yourself. You're ungrounded for 15 years. You can do whatever you want.
Thanks, Mom.